What if I told you the next global flashpoint isn't Ukraine, Taiwan, or North Korea, it's Iran? In 2025, beneath the noise of global news cycles, a dangerous escalation is unfolding between the United States and Iran. Drone strikes, cyber warfare, naval standoffs. But behind the headlines, a decades-long game of survival, power, and ideology. This is the untold story, and the next chapter might rewrite global history. A decade of unfinished business. The roots go back to 1979, Iranian Revolution, fall of the Shah, and U.S. embassy hostage crisis. 1980s, Iran-Iraq War, U.S. backs Saddam, tensions deepen. 2000s, George W. Bush labels Iran part of the axis of evil, sanctions and suspicion grow. 2015, the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action was a breakthrough. Iran agreed to limit its nuclear program. But in 2018, the Trump administration pulled out, citing bad faith. Sanctions returned. Iran restarted uranium enrichment. 2020, Qasem Soleimani assassinated by U.S. drone strike. Iran vows revenge. What began as a diplomatic divorce has now become a global security crisis. 2024-2025, escalation in real time. January 2024, U.S. drone strike kills top Iranian-backed militia leader in Iraq. February 2024, Iran retaliates with cyber attacks targeting power grids and water systems in U.S. cities. May 2025, Iranian patrol boats confront U.S. Navy ships in the Strait of Hormuz. June 2025, Israel allegedly strikes Iranian nuclear sites in Natanz. These aren't isolated skirmishes, they're opening moves in a much broader confrontation. The proxy web, Iran's shadow network. Hezbollah in Lebanon, Houthis in Yemen, Shiite militias in Iraq and Syria, all funded and trained by Iran. Israel, Saudi Arabia, UAE counter with U.S. support. 2025, Houthi drones strike Saudi oil refineries again. U.S. troops in Iraq targeted by rocket fire weekly. Gaza remains a flashpoint. Iran uses it to test Israel's responses. It's a global chessboard, and Tehran has more pawns than ever. Cyber, AI, and drones, the new battlefield. Iran's cyber units now use AI-generated phishing campaigns to breach U.S. banking systems. U.S. responds with Stuxnet-style malware, targeting Iran's nuclear centrifuge operations. Drones patrol the skies over the Persian Gulf 24/7. No boots needed, just remote commands. Iran's Shahed 191 drone now rivals Israeli Harop drones. AI-powered warfare is no longer science fiction, it's real. The future of war is silent, autonomous, and already in play. The Strait of Hormuz, the world's oil bottleneck. 20% of global oil passes through this narrow channel. A single mine, missile, or blockade could send oil prices soaring. Iran has practiced this. In 2019, they downed a U.S. drone, seized tankers. In 2025, they've begun using submarines and drone swarms. The strait isn't just a shipping lane, it's the global economy's heartbeat. Nuclear tensions, the uncrossable line? Iran's uranium enrichment now surpasses 60% purity. Weapons grade is 90. UN inspectors restricted from nuclear sites. Satellite images show new underground bunkers in Fordo. Israel may launch a preemptive strike. Begin doctrine. US debates red lines in Congress. Is regime change on the table? Everyone agrees a nuclear Iran is unacceptable, but how far will they go to stop it? Diplomacy or destruction? Back-channel talks via Oman, Qatar, Switzerland. New JCPA framework proposed. Gradual rollback of sanctions for step-back compliance. Iran demands US guarantee the deal can't be revoked by future presidents. Domestic politics on both sides make compromise hard. but not impossible. We're one deal away from peace or one drone away from war. What happens if war breaks out? Iran has missiles that can reach Tel Aviv and U.S. bases in the Gulf. U.S. has Fifth Fleet in Bahrain, air bases in Qatar, Saudi, and Diego Garcia. Regional war could draw in Turkey, Russia, China. Oil hits $300 a barrel. Global markets tank. Refugee crisis erupts. Cyber warfare disables banks and communications. This isn't just Iran versus the U.S. This is World War III in slow motion. Clash of civilizations or chance for peace? Iran and the U.S. represent more than governments. They represent two competing visions for the Middle East. One rooted in resistance, the other in dominance. One driven by survival, the other by security. But history isn't destiny, and conflict isn't inevitable. The real question isn't if war is coming, it's whether we're willing to stop it before the first missile flies.